Hello everyone, this is Nathan. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you our latest laser machine, NA-LA1, the laser separate machine for the iPhone back glass. Okay, first of all, I am going to show you the sample we are going to use. Take a look at it carefully. You guys might say, okay, this is the shell for iPhone 12. But here's the truth. Take a look from the back side. This just single camera, the other camera was fake. This is quite interesting stuff. I got it from one of my friends. So however, I am going to show you with this sample how the laser machine separates back glass from iPhone safely and quickly. Let's take a look at it. First of all, we need to do the autofocus. The laser head will go to the top and come back. Till the green light on means the machine in right focal length. Put the phone on the working board and align with fixture. Now we operate on the computer. Find and open the software for the machine. Here we go. Then drag the drawing into the software. It's not real iPhone 12, so we DIY one to match it. Normally, we will text the drawing before we start laser, just in case. Select the drawing, place the delete here. Then, select the edge of the drawing. Click the red light. You might not see anything, but the red light are already working. Let's turn off the light. Now, could see clear. You could use your finger to help, just like this. Stop the red light and select the camera in. Red light match. The other one match. Okay, that means the machine and the drawing are ready now. Frame selection for the drawing. Click File here. We will get the original drawing, then click Mark to start the laser. Okay, we're done. Normally we will mark twice. It's really easy to separate. But we could see, cause the camera ring are bigger than the hole on the glass, it will stuck the back glass. So we need to break that part of glass around the camera ring. This kind of stuff more popular these days. Okay, press it. So you guys could see, maybe this kind of stuff is not that safe. Take a look at this. I'm not going to say it's not working. It did work, but it's quite dangerous. Anyway, let's try it again, this original shell. Check the glue displays. It's original back shell. Done. Let's do it. It's frosted glass around the camera. The laser could not go through it well. We have the special drawing just for this part. So I am going to re-laser this pass a few times more. Finally, I remove all the glass. But there are some glue still on the frame. Let's laser it again. Okay, we got about 20 minutes to clean the glass. To be honest, we also use this stuff to help us. We're trying to find some better solution to do this. See you next time.